Nigerian Genius.
Okay, hello everyone. We are Team MechX and this is day 3 of the Nigerian Genius Competition 2026. Roughly, our day started with where we were given a session for us to brainstorm concerning the project that was given to us yesterday. Now, after the brainstorming, we went over to have a class on laser machine. So we installed the software in our system. We were able to run simulations and we were able to design and write a trademark of our name on a particular material. Now, after the laser machine class, we came back and we had a brain teaser challenge, of which in that challenge, glory be to God, we come out victorious in the challenge. Actually, we were given some materials, and those materials were straw and sellotape, and we are giving these materials to construct a kind of box that can hold an egg safely, in a way that when we throw this material with the egg, it will not break, that is, the egg will not break. So actually, we thought it was something very easy to get. So when the time started, we started our brainstorming. For the first 3 minutes, we were not able to do anything. We were just thinking, and eventually, by God's grace, an idea came. We said, okay, let's do the base. From the base, we thought about, okay, let's cover the frame from there. So at the end of it all, we noticed some lapses in some side and was like, okay, let's add this lapses. Let's just exhaust all the materials that we have in a way that we should cover that material. And we made use of some principles with our engineering mindset. We made use of the principle of the shock absorber with the straws. So after implementing all these things, fortunately for us, after exhausting the materials, we don't know that when testing this our covering on the egg, we don't know that it will really be thrown very, very high. And thank God for us that we covered it very well. So after that, the first round, we passed the first test, which was I think a length of 5 meters. Now after that length, they throw it up to the ceiling. That's the coverage that covered the egg. They threw it up to the ceiling. And we had the way it bounced, and it was as if the thing got broken. And we were like, okay, when they were opening each and every one of us, so we were like, we have lost it. We have lost it. Like, there is no way we are going to win because of the sand that we had. So eventually, to God be the glory, and fortunately for us, it happened that our egg did not break. So that was how we were able to emerge victorious in the brain teaser. And also, earlier today, we had a voting contest and we did our best. And thank you all to the supporters. You guys supported us with your likes, with your comments and your shares. It really gave us a massive boost. And eventually, we came out we triumphed to win the voting contest. And this is a proof here that we are awarded 10 points for it.
Okay, the CEO of Clintonel Innovation Center and the manager, Mr. Andrew Komabong, came around and they asked us about our progress, about the project, and honestly, they really gave us a listening ear. So we told them about the ideas that we had, and yes, it wasn't a perfect idea, so they gave us suggestions. Mr. Clintonel even talked about his experience while in school and how he tried to work on a similar project. So we got a lot of insight from them, and we also got a lot of encouragement from them that whatever we need, we can always come to them. And I also want to say a very big thank you to the sponsors of this competition. We are happy, although it's stressful. The sleepless nights have started, but we know that by God's grace we are going to emerge victorious. So thank you very much. Our supporters also, like my teammates said, we are really happy for your votes, and we want to continue voting like till the end of the competition. It's a continuous process. So thank you for having our backs today, and this is dedicated to you from Team MechX. So I will hope to do more. So thank you very much.
The Nigerian Genius.